How to send an email to multiple recipients individually. Now, this method is the easiest method that I'm gonna be showing you right now. So basically, we'll be doing an email that is purely text content without attaching anything. We will be sending this out to multiple addresses or to multiple recipients. Now, to do this, pull up your web browser and go to gmail.com. Now, once you are on gmail.com, you log into your account and you just go ahead and click on compose and change the subject. For example, meeting meeting starts at 10 p.m. here. So under recipients, this is where you can add email addresses. For example, testing1@gmail.com. For you to add another recipient, just simply click space on your keyboard or click on the existing mail. If you want to do this in a fast way possible, all you have to do is copy all the email addresses on your notepad and paste them all here at once. Now, that's the very basic method of sending an email to multiple recipients.